Hey guys, my name's Louise of solopreneursidekick.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to sound more like you on your website. Copy is one of the most important parts of getting your website up and running. Personally, I've spent months trying to avoid writing my own copy, but its importance can't be overlooked. That's what's going to make the difference between a mediocre website and a really effective one. One of the biggest benefits of starting your own business is that you get to make the rules. So you can throw out old ideas of how your website copy has to be really proper and professional and have some fun with it, infusing your personality into your brand. Here are 4 things that you can do to sound more like you on your website. Step 1 is to grab your phone and go through your text with your BFF. Here you're looking for phrases and words, even emojis that you use all of the time. Next, you want to write all of them down and store these in a doc. I like to call it a brand bank. You can call it your brand words, whatever you want. Next, write these all down and store them on your computer in a doc and call it your brand bank. Now, whenever you need to add more personality to your copy, you can just refer back to this doc and spice things up a little. This can be as simple as how you say hi. Do you say, hey, what's up? Hey, y'all? For example, that last one was super unnatural for me, and you'd never hear me say that in person, and you want your website to reflect how you actually talk. Another tactic is to imagine that you're talking to that same BFF when you write your copy. This is going to be really effective and make it sound a lot more natural. Another strategy I use is to record yourself talking about the subject rather than writing it down. Sometimes this can be a lot easier rather than staring at a blank page. And then you can just type it out after. And finally, read what you've written out loud. You'll instantly catch anything that doesn't sound right or quite like you. And another thing I would recommend that you do is pick 3 things that you love and sprinkle them through your website. So you can work in hobbies or stories of yours, and this is going to make your copy uniquely yours. That's it for this video. I hope that you found it really helpful. I'd love to hear what words made it into your brand bank. Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys soon with another video.